Alright. So we are live. Let me just turn the music off. It's such a hot and a humid day here in Mumbai, and I know I'm wearing a jacket and a headband, but still a little unwell and down under the weather. Well, so the unplanned live is to talk about the first rule. I just got a message on my screen and my data is almost out, so I will keep this short, but for the next few days I am planning to do a live almost every day, given I probably may not be able to do it on Tuesday because I'm traveling, but apart from Tuesday, I think I should be doing a live almost every day for the next few days. Well, in today's live, the topic I want to talk about is something from my book, The 1 Lakh Formula. I don't know, I think you can see it properly now, The 1 Lakh Formula, and if you haven't grabbed the book, make sure to grab a copy of the book. So in today's live, I want to talk about the first rule, right? So I have a chapter in the book which talks about the 12 rules. I think I have 12 or 11. I wrote this a while back. I think the updated one I have added a few more rules. So and these are the rules that you must implement if you ever plan to freelance or work with clients, right? If you're a service provider, professional, artist, or somebody, I think these rules are really important. So starting today, I want to talk about one specific rule and dive deep into that one specific rule and what exactly does that mean and how do you actually practically implement it. Let's talk about the first one. In case you have the book, let me give you the page number so that you can directly dive into the page. So the first rule in the second version of the book is on page 46. So you would go to page 46 and find the first rule. And oh yeah, let me just roll the windows down. It's freaking hot. So yes. So the first rule talks about maintaining your authority. So what exactly does that mean? Right, so let me just quickly, I'm not going to read out, and that's how I'm going to talk about it, but let me just read this small part from the book, which is: think of yourself as a coach or a trainer. A good coach or trainer would never let the students or the trainees tell him or her what they should be doing, right? They would be in charge. They would know what needs to be done, right? So it's really important. Now, I always give the metaphor of a doctor. When you go to a doctor, let's say a specialist, you would never tell the doctor what they need to do, right? You would never tell them to prescribe you XYZ medicine or select a line of treatment. But when it comes to working with clients, and especially when I've seen a lot of digital marketers if they join the 10 lakh club coaching program that we have, when they reach out to clients, go meet the clients actually tell them what they need to be doing, right? The clients would actually tell them, hey, we want you to do SEO, we want you to run Facebook ads, we need you to do this. And this is where it all falls apart. You never want the clients telling you what you need to be doing, right? And if the clients dictate what you should be doing, you lost the client and they're never ever going to respect you or pay you a really high amount or the amount that you deserve. Now think about it. If you go to a physician or if you go to a eye specialist and you tell him, hey, you know what, I need you to write me these drops, I need you to do these XYZ surgery on my eye, you think you'll actually respect the eye specialist? Of course not, right? And this is a big mistake that most digital marketers do when they get into freelancing, right? Or not just digital marketers, but I've seen this mistake done by most freelancers in any domain, right? And I was guilty of this when I started my freelancing career as a writer. So I understand, if you're starting out, you may fall for it, but thankfully, when you have somebody to tell you that, hey, don't do this in your freelance career. When I started back then, quite a few years back, I had no one to guide me, mentor me, or tell me that, hey, this is how you need to be structuring your freelance business. This is how you need to be speaking to your clients. This is how you need to be reaching out to people. This is how you need to communicate. This is how you need to do any and everything, right? And that's why I really struggled for a lot of years. I think at least the first couple of years, Sandy and I really struggled. We were charging, crazy low amount. I think we were fucking working for $1, writing such amazing articles, doing so much research, and then getting paid what, $60-70 for it, which was shameful. But then, hey, we had nobody to guide us, and we did what we thought was the best. And a lot of decisions were made out of fear of not having the money to pay the rent, or fear of not making ends meet, and fear of not, what if I don't get another client, right? So so this is really important. So when you're starting out, I think make sure every single rule given in the book is important, and if you follow all the rules given in my book, I can guarantee that you would never be out of clients. And you will always have clients who pay you the amount that you deserve. They don't become cheapskate on you. Hey Sejal, good to see you. I'm doing awesome. How are you? Been a long time. Hope you're doing good, and hope Ahmedabad is awesome. It's freaking hot in Mumbai. So getting back, so make sure to implement everything given in the book. Again, the rules have been designed keeping in mind my over almost a decade of experience of freelancing and working with clients. So yep, make sure to never ever let the clients dictate what you need to be doing as far as your business is concerned, right? Or as far as your work is concerned, you should be the one who should always be the one making decisions, because you are the expert. You are the one who is the pro in as far as digital is concerned. So this is rule number 1. Is ebook available? We don't have the Kindle version. I haven't done it, Sejal, but you know what, I'll ask somebody in the team to help you with the ebook. We'll make it happen for you. We'll send you an e-copy. So I'll tell somebody in the team to reach out to you, drop you a message to grab the e-copy of the book. And look forward to seeing you in Ahmedabad. Alright, so this is rule number 1. I am going to keep it short. It's getting crazy hot in here. I need to go work out. It's the leg workout, so I'm super duper excited for my leg workout. But yeah, if you already have the book, make sure to follow all the rules. I have received tons of emails from freelance digital marketers who read the book, implemented a few rules, and have seen tremendous change in the way the clients approach them, the clients talk to them, and the clients pay them, right? So if you want to grab the book, you can grab the book. I think you'll find the link on the website. Just go to the website and you'll find the link on the homepage right at the top on the hello bar is where you'll find the link to grab the book. And we still have the book for free. You just need to pay for the shipping and the printing for the book. So grab it. And of course, if you want to make and build your business in the long run as a freelance digital marketer, we have applications open for the 10 lakh club coaching program. Right, we started the program in the month of Jan with just 10 people, and it was a beta round, and the program is structured and it's coming out really well. I'm happy with the progress that a lot of people in the program have made, and now we are ready to launch and open it up to the entire world. So if you aspire to start your own agency, or if you aspire to while working as a digital marketer for an organization, start freelancing and building a second source of revenue on the side, and to a point where your second source of revenue becomes your primary revenue, and then you're ready to quit your full-time job and work completely as a freelance digital marketer or an owner. Make sure to check out the program details of the 10 lakh club and drop in your application. It's a very comprehensive program which would not just teach you the digital marketing aspects, but it'll also teach you the finance aspect, the leadership aspect, the communication aspect, the business building aspect, the sales aspect, and it'll turn you into a super duper entrepreneur, and I think overall a great leader who eventually would be a better communicator, better marketer, better, I think I would say the right word would be a bigger brand than you are at this point, because the program also focuses heavily on building your personal brand. So this was rule number 1. Never ever let a client or anybody tell you what you need to be doing in your area of expertise. Now, I hate the word expert, but to simplify and get the point across, let me say in your area of expertise. If you know about a certain topic and more than other people do not let the other person tell you what you need to be doing, right? Make it a point that you are in charge. Make it a point that you control and you communicate what needs to be done. That is what builds your authority. That is what builds your brand, and that is when people would respect you and will reach out to you for your services. Well, I hope this was of help to you, and I'll talk to you about rule number 2, which is one of my favorite rules as far as working with clients is concerned. I'll talk about that in the live tomorrow. And a big shout out to Hinal for getting selected for the 3 months digital marketing course in Mumbai. I will reveal the names of the other selected members soon. Well, talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.